In this video, you will learn how to find penny items in Walmart, understand what penny items actually are. Penny items are products Walmart heavily discounts when they're discontinued or marked for removal. Look for the clearance stickers. Check Stelvo clearance sections for items with yellow or red tags. These often get further reduced. Scan with the Walmart app. Use the Walmart app barcode scanner to check hidden prices. Sometimes items ring up as only 1 cent. Search in hidden spots. Penny items are often found behind the clearance aisles, end caps, or even mixed in with regular merchandise. Follow the penny shopping groups. Join online forums, Facebook groups, TikTok communities where shoppers all spare current penny finds. Confirm at checkout. If you find any penny items, take it to the self-checkout or ask an associate to confirm the price. Now you know how to find penny items in Walmart. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.